over the muscles in the leg and their innervations. So this is an anterior view, and I'm going to go over the quads first. So I know that this is medial based off of the great toe. So you have vastus medialis, lateralis, and intermedius is deep to the rectus femoris. We also have, so that's the quads. This is the sartorius muscle. So all of these muscles are innervated by the femoral nerve. Okay. And then if we look medially, we'll see that this is the adductor longus, this is the adductor magnus, and then this is the gracilis. So all of these muscles are innervated by the obturator nerve. So this is the iliopsoas. The iliopsoas is innervated by the ventral rami. Okay, so if we do the medial side, let's move laterally. This is the TFL, and the glute med is deep. So this is the glute max. And this is the glute medius. So both the TFL and the glute medius are innervated by the superior gluteal nerve. The glute maximus is innervated by the inferior gluteal nerve. Okay, so now we're looking at some of the deeper muscles, and this is the piriformis. If the piriformis is tight, it can pinch on the sciatic nerve. And so we'll follow the sciatic nerve as it goes down here in a little bit. But let's now go over the hamstrings. So once again, I'm orienting myself. What am I looking at? So I know based off of the great toe that this is medial, this is lateral. The medial hamstrings include the semigroup. So you have the semitendinosus, and deep to the semitendinosus is the semimembranosus. If you go laterally, this is the long head of the biceps femoris. Looking at a lateral view, this is the short head of the biceps femoris. So now, if I take this off. So the long head of the biceps femoris and the semigroup, these muscles are innervated by the tibial nerve. This is the tibial nerve right there. And we'll follow it along here a little bit, but this is the sciatic nerve that goes all the way down, and then it branches into the tibial, and this nerve is the common fibular. The common fibular nerve is what innervates the short head of the biceps femoris. So now we can take the hamstrings off. And so I've already introduced the tibial nerve, and the tibial nerve also innervates the gastrocnemius, so medial head, lateral head, and also innervates the soleus. Soleus is also shown here. Okay. Tibial nerve also innervates the popliteus. That's what unlocks the knee. You also have the tibialis posterior, and this bone is the fibula. This muscle here, that's the flexor hallucis longus. The one that's more medial, this is the flexor digitorum longus. So all of these muscles that I just talked about, they're all innervated by the tibial nerve. Okay. So now let's go back up, and we've already discussed the common fibular. So the common fibular nerve goes down, and then it branches. It branches into the superficial and So the deep branch is what innervates the tibialis anterior and also the extensor digitorum. Extensor digitorum longus. And you'll see that this is the deep branch. So it's deep, and the bones that we're looking at, so this is the fibula, and this is the interosseous membrane, which connects to the tibia. Right, so this is the deep fibular. And the superficial fibular is the one that's more lateral, and then it's over here. That's what innervates the fibularis longus and the fibularis brevis. And the last one that I wanted to mention. So the piriformis is innervated by the ventral